Mastering advanced vocabulary, building a strong lexical foundation. Our first word of the 30th day is 1. Boon. A. Something to be thankful for, blessing, benefit. A thing that is helpful or beneficial. The route will be a boon to many travelers. B. Something that is asked, a favor sought. The internet has been a boon to small businesses. 2. Accede. A. To come to an office or dignity, especially a throne, to assume a position. Assume an office or position. Elizabeth I acceded to the throne in 1558. B. To assign or award, an office or dignity, or to grant, a favor, etc., to hand over, power, etc. Usually with 2. We are unable to accede to your wishes. Management refused to accede to their demands for higher wages. 3. Fugitive. A person who has escaped from captivity or is in hiding. B. Quick to disappear, fleeting, transitive, elusive. The fugitive effects of light. Fugitives from justice. C. Dealing with subjects of passing interest, as writings, ephemeral. D. Wandering, roving, or vagabond. He was a fugitive, on the run from the police. He fled bail to become a fugitive from justice. 4. Luxate. To put out of joint, dislocate. The accident luxated the left shoulder. The patella luxated when I fell, causing me to experience severe pain and discomfort. 5. Antediluvian. A. Of or belonging to the time before the biblical flood. Ridiculously old-fashioned. They maintain antediluvian sex role stereotypes. Such methods are, of course, antediluvian now. That sounds positively antediluvian now, doesn't it? 6. Culturati. Cultured people considered as a class, members of a cultural elite. Well-educated people who appreciate the arts. The yuppies and the culturati get fashionable shows that suck up to them. For the culturati, opera is the new golf. 7. Adroit. A. Cleverly skillful, resourceful, or ingenious. He was adroit at tax avoidance. B. Expert or nimble in the use of the hands or body. Johnson's adroit footwork was behind the team's first goal. It took some adroit maneuvering to get the car parked. He proved adroit in navigating his way around the city. 8. Ruck. A large number or quantity, mass. Harry squeezed through the ruck to order another pint. B. The great mass of undistinguished or inferior persons or things. A tightly packed crowd of people. There was so much ruck and stuff under his feet that Mayo gave up searching after a time. He shoved the doctor forward and followed him, kicking to right and left a ruck of weapons and debris. 9. Palaver. A. unnecessarily elaborate or complex procedure. There's a lot of palaver involved. B. Talk unproductively and at length. It's too hot for palavering. C. Talk intended to cajole, flatter, or wheedle. D. Unnecessary, profuse, or idle talk, chatter. He knew how to make decisions without nonsense and without palaver. Then, none of that palaver would have taken place. 10. Deflagrate, to burn, especially suddenly and violently. Sharp combustion. The current will deflagrate some of the particles. The matches tipped with it deflagrate with a snapping noise. They deflagrate like the chlorates when heated with combustibles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons.